each of these videos through all of the basics, and we can go through them in sets. From here, hopefully you're able to hear me just fine. I don't have a microphone or anything on. I'll try to talk through them. We'll only do maybe 3 repetitions of each basic, and then this way you'll be able to practice them a little bit more thoroughly. So, first I was starting in tension position, beginning with the bow. Left leg is going to be the one that steps out into a ready position always. So chungi, ready position. From here again, left hand, left leg is going to step out into a hold pucky reverse punch. Target is the solar plexus, knees are bent. So first we do singles. Alright, then moving on to doubles. Then 3, and then key on that third one. Take! 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 From there, stepping out, front stance into a down block. Arm crosses inside, then stepping forward punch. Then turning towards your back leg, down block, face punch, key on. So back leg, face punch, and key on.